To use the MultiSelect bulk editor, first you'll need to enable your visual builder. Once you're in your visual builder for Divi theme, you will utilize the MultiSelect tool by holding down the control key. Now, once this page loads, I'll go ahead and show you how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and skip down to an area that has multiple modules in a row so you can see. So I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to hover over the module that I want to select and I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to, while still holding the control key, click on the other text boxes that I would like to edit. Once I've selected all of the boxes that I would like to edit, or all of the modules, I'm going to click on I'm going to release the control key and click on the module settings. And once you're in there, you'll notice that there is no text or content in the text area, but you can multi-select, or you can bulk edit while it's multi-selected, and you can bulk edit the design and the look of this text module or any module that you would like to work on. It's a good idea to only open and multi-select the same types of modules. So if you're wanting to select the text module, do all the text at once and then move on to the buttons, because the button styles has different features within the design tabs than the text does. So there'll be things missing on there. So be sure to just multi-select the boxes for the designs that you would like to change the design to. Just multi-select like modules. So you can, in the design tab, you can make changes to all the different design elements all at once. So if you wanted to change the heading text color to everything at once, it will automatically update just like that. And you can change anything in here. You can even change the borders. You could add borders around it if you would like to. You can do all of the design changes at once. So once you're done with that, click the Save button, and that's how you use the MultiSelect bulk editor tool.